This is the Wallace Diaries, where backroads meet real work, documenting the grind 1 mile at a time.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. We're gonna go do some truck camping. I'm gonna make a few videos out of truck camping. I'll break it up into days for you guys, and we're gonna explore some different spots. Basically, I'm being able to make these videos because my job's got me up north and for a job, and so I figured instead of spending money on a hotel, why not go do some truck camping and not have to spend extra money to be over here and have some fun at it. So we're gonna go to this first spot that I found and see what it's like, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we have made it to where I'm gonna bed down. So just so you guys know where we're at, campsites that I'm at are in the National Forest, and it's called First Campsite. So it's the first campsite for this National Forest area. So there's no fees. I will say the road is rough, but it's free, so I'll get out, show you guys around. You guys can see, let me flip the camera around. So I don't know if you guys can see or not, but there's someone camping out right there in that white tent. And then there's an old fireplace, fire pit from the last people that were here. But yeah, we're here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get out and show you guys around. I think we will bed down for the night and get some rest before we have to go to work tomorrow. See you guys outside. Alright guys, so here we are, we're parked. There's some firewood and stuff, so I might have a little fire, why not? Got some wood around that I can use. And then check this out. Walk down here a little bit. Due to all the rain we've been getting, the creek's flowing down here. I'm sure that there's got to be more campsites up above, up ahead. But I thought this would be pretty cool. It's flowing. Alrighty guys, so I think our plan for this evening is I'm gonna try to attempt to get a fire started and have a little fire and enjoy the evening. And then I'm going to get ready to get some sleep. So, but right now, we're going to try to attempt to get a little fire started, see what we can do, and just have some relaxation time.
Alrighty guys, that is it for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to get some sleep. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like. And if you want to see day 2, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on day 2 of camping in my truck out here in the forest.